It makes you want. It makes you want. It makes you want to do something. Look, see this? It says challenge 2. Look.
Okay, you only have to push it forward.
Oh. I'm tired. Guys, it's raining. Get in here. It's raining.
Whoa, it popped in like popcorn.
No, not that.
Hey.
Mommy, Kayla can't play with these cars. You got stuck.
That's good. You gotta push it forward. Watch. There. Okay, let Caleb do it.
But now you're gonna be my brother.
Caleb.
I'm just fine.
Caleb, don't throw cars.
Hey, brother. I'm gonna ask Santa for a new micro track.
Okay.
Brother, my other one broke.
Okay.
And something was wrong with it. Brother. Be quiet.
Oh, your track break. Because your dad throws everything in
You're gonna talk
containers.
about popsicles. Tell Dad.
Tell him.
I'm telling Santa for the new micro track.
You want me to tell Daddy bring you popsicles? Anything else?
Yeah, like candy. Actually, what? Mommy, when you have money on your card, can we get another micro track? Same,
We'll see.
the same. Okay, guys, launch.
Got launches?
Yeah, look at the button.
Oh.
Switch has a button.
Oh. Okay. You launch him and I'll snatch him up.
Hey, how about me?
You don't get to do anything.
Put me down.
You don't have a job, little girl.
Hey!
Oh, is something caught in here?
Hey! I want to do it now! Really don't!
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, Mommy. Look. Can you push this button?
Oh,
Yeah. I
nice.
didn't know that when I got that. Mom, when you push this, look at this. You push that, look.
Whoa.
Hey, I want the dog. Give me that one. Can I be your dog?
Yeah, this is going to be yours. Go ahead.
No, you're do that.
No, that can be yours
No,
now.
little girl, you don't have a dog.
No, little girl, you don't have a job.
Hey, Mommy, I got an idea.
What?
I'm doing this slot. I'm gonna put the micro drifter in.
Don't hit her.
I'm gonna do the micro drifter into there. I'm gonna. It's not gonna be my cousin, the one with queen. Be quiet. Shut up. Be quiet,
Kaylee.
you nerd. Be quiet. Shut up. You're a nerd.
Stop.
You're a nerd. Stop saying what I say. Stop saying what I say.
Stop fighting. No, Caleb.
It's a video.
No.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna hit you. I'm
Stop.
gonna hit you.
I'm putting you, I'm taping you.
No. Mommy!
You want to see the tape?
Oh, there's something wrong with that girl. And I do not know how Pia. You don't play with me. You didn't get me in here. Be quiet. I need somebody. Alright.
What's your car's name?
Chickens.
The pink and white one?
Sorry, but Chickens is already taken.
What's your car's name? The pink one. What's the pink one's name?
Pinky. No, Chickens. No.
Okay.
No, Chickens. you?
You want to call it Pinkie Pie?
Yeah.